Hey there, today we're going to look at how to install Spacy for Python in VS Code. So let's get started. First, right-click and create a new folder called Spacy Project. Over here, open Visual Studio Code and click on Open Folder or go to File, then Open Folder and select the folder you just created. After that, once the project is open and empty, click on New File and name it main.py. Then type import Spacy and you will see an error saying Spacy is not accessed, which means it's not installed yet. Over here, open the terminal. Then check your Python version. After that, look at the Python version shown at the bottom of VS Code. If it's different, click on it and select the same version that appears in the terminal. Then run the command pip install Spacy. After that, Spacy will install successfully. Then, Spacy is fully installed, and now you can use it in your projects. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.